Hi, I'm Tracey Lightfoot, real estate investor and expert in Branson, Missouri. Staging your vacation rental can be overwhelming and stressful for many. I'm here to help relieve the stress from your next investment opportunity and show you some tips and tricks. Most important place in your vacation rental is the kitchen. It's the heart of your home as well as your vacation rental property. That's where everybody's going to gather to conversate, make meals. And if they're making meals, they're wanting a fully stocked kitchen. So a few of the items that are commonly missed when decorating and staging a vacation rental are things like your small appliances, your blender, your toaster. Most properties have a coffee pot, but they may not have coffee. Supply that for your guest. Herbs and spices. You don't have to go out and spend a lot of money. You can pick a kit up at one of the big box stores that you sit on your counter. It's just a nice touch for your guests to have. Get a quality knife set that is going to show the guest not only that you care that they're in your property, but assist them in having a successful stay in your property and leaving you a 5-star review. If you are wanting to get in touch with us at the Lightfoot Youngblood team to talk about staging your property or would like a copy of one of our brochures, please reach out to me at bransonhomefinder.com.